Welcome to the annual Academic Awards 2019-20. Our first awardee for today is Class 4 Rank 1 Upasana Pandey. She credits her success to her teachers and parents. Her aim in life is to become an IAS officer. Class 4 Rank 2 is Rajada Mishra. Credit for success is to the effort and guidance of teachers. Aim in life is to remove the discrimination which is present in the society on the basis of religion, caste, creed, gender, etc. Class 4 Rank 3 Sudhanshu Shekhar. Credit for success is to the hard work and to the teachers where they teach. Aim in life is to become a cricketer and a scientist. Class 4 Rank 4 is Shubham Kumar. Credit for success is to the intense desire to excel. Aim in life is to be a scientist. Class 4 Rank 5 is Lucky Kumar. Credit for success is to the hard work. Aim in life is to become an IAS officer. Class 5 Rank 1 is Ayush Kumar Gupta. Credit for success goes to all the teachers of Class 5 and to his parents. Aim in life is to become an IAS officer. Class 5 Rank 2 is Abhyansh Kaushik. Credit for success is to Archana Bharti Ma'am. Aim in life is to become an automobile engineer. Class 5 Rank 3 is Divyanshu Bhatts. Credit for success is to teachers and BVRS family. Aim in life is to be a doctor. Class 5 Rank 4 is Priyanshu Raj. Credit for success is to the family and respected teachers of Vidya Vihar Residential School. Aim in life is to be a doctor. Class 5 Rank 5 is Priyam Raj. Credit for success is to the teachers of Vidya Vihar Residential School. Aim in life is to become an IAS officer. Class 6 Rank 1 is Sudhanshu Suman. Credit for success is to the teachers and parents. Aim in life is to become an IAS officer. Class 6 Rank 2 is Akshu Akshans. Credit for success is to parents and God. Aim in life is to become an IAS officer. Class 6 Rank 3 is Alankrit. Credit for success is to the teachers and parents. Aim in life is to become an IAS. Class 6 Rank 4 is Rudransh Raj. Credit for success is to the parents. Aim in life is to become a doctor. Class 6 Rank 5 is Manish Kumar. Credit for success is to the father and aim in life is to be an IAS officer. Class 7 rank 1 is Umang Kumar. Grade for success is to the faculty members of BBRS. Aim in life is to fulfill the parents' dream. Class 7 rank 2 is Shubham Kumar. Grade for success is to the teachers. Aim in life is to become a doctor. Class 7 rank 3 is Mayuresh. Grade for success is to the science and math teachers, especially SC sir and KR sir and parents. Aim in life is to become an IS officer. Class 7 rank 4 is Rangoli Raj Srivastav. Grade for success is to teachers and family members. Aim in life is to become a neurosurgeon. Class 7 rank 5 is Yash Raj. Grade for success is to the faculty members of BBRS. Aim in life is to become IS officer. Class 8 rank 1 is Avivats. He is also our Abhishek Shresth awardee for 2020. He gets scholarship of rupees 25,000. Grade for success is to the father. Aims to become an IS officer. The second Abhishek Shresth awardee from class 8 is Divyanshu Jaiswal, rank 2. He gets a scholarship of rupees 15,000. Grade for success is to all those teachers who helped him throughout the year, and also to friends, parents, and whoever guided. He wants to be a software engineer. Class 8 rank 3 is Ankur Raj. Grade for success is to the parents and teachers. Aim in life is to become a good doctor. Class 8 rank 4 is Priyanshu Preet. Grade for success is to do more concentration in studies. Aim in life is to become an IITian. Class 8 rank 5 is Krish Kumar Dost. Grade for success is to the parents and teachers. Aim in life is to become a renowned surgeon. Class 9 rank 1 is Divyanshu Mishra. Grade for success is to regular studies. Aim in life is to become a doctor. Class 9 rank 2 is Priyanshu Kumar. Grade for success is to the teachers who motivated him and made him realize his potential. He wants to become a scientist. Class 9 rank 3 is Avinav Kumar Mehta. Grade for success is to the teachers of BBRS. Aim in life is to become a good citizen of nation and a doctor. Class 9 rank 4 is Abhishek Raj. Grade for success is to parents and teachers. Aim in life is to become an engineer. Class 9, rank 5 is Harsh Ranjan. Credit for success is to the faculty members of ABRS and systematic learning. Aim in life is to become a doctor. Class 11, Ashutosh Kumar Singh. Credit for success is to the support extended to him by the faculty members and regular study. Aim in life is to become a mechanical engineer. Class 11, Niharika Rani. Credit for success is to teachers and parents. Aim in life is to become a doctor. Class 11, Shrutishri. Credit for success is to the teachers and friends. Aim in life is to become successful in whatever field she chooses. Class 11, Ujjwal Kumar Singh. Credit for success is to the parents, Saxena sir, and self-study. Aim in life is to achieve success. Class 11, Vaibhav Amrit. Credit for success is to the school's teaching. Aim in life is to be an IAS officer. Class 11, Tanuja Kumari. Credit for success is to the teachers. Aim in life is to become a CA. Class 11, Mausam Kumari. Credit for success is to the father and mother. Aim in life is to be CA. And with that, we come to the end of the presentation. Well done, winners. Thank you, audience.